Hiring managers can receive hundreds of applications for a single job opening. No wonder the average resume gets reviewed for just 7 seconds. When competition is steep, it's important to stand out and convince the hiring manager your resume is worthy of a closer look. What's the best way to do that? With an attractive and professional resume header. And that's where I come in. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io. And in this video, I'll show you how to create a resume header that communicates your contact information and so much more. The header of your resume might feel secondary compared to the content, but it's actually one of the key sections that increases your chances of standing out and landing the interview. The header is usually found at the top of your resume, although sometimes it can be placed on the side. Its primary purpose is to keep your name and contact information in one place so that the hiring manager has no trouble getting in touch with you. But there are a few tricks to make your header even more effective at landing you the interview. Here are my top 3 tips. Number 1, use a professional email address. You'd be surprised at the number of candidates who submit resumes with cutesy email addresses they made in middle school. If that was about to be you, stop. Go right now to a leading email provider and create a simple email address using some combination of your first and last name. You may need to add a number if you have a common name. Believe it or not, this makes a big difference to hiring managers. And number 2, add key details. Get the most good out of your header by adding key pieces of information beyond your name and basic contact information. LinkedIn or other relevant professional social media accounts are great. You can also add a link to your portfolio website if that's important for your role. And don't forget to add your job title, as this can quickly tell a hiring manager what position you're applying for and whether you have the right qualifications for the job. And number 3, choose the right design. The look and feel of your header instantly conveys your professionalism and seriousness about the role. Make sure to consider the company's tone and style when choosing your design. A resume builder can make it really easy to try out different layouts. Sometimes a simple, well-organized template is all you need. Find these ones in the link below. And that's all there is to it. We've covered the basics of creating a great resume header. But you can find even more expert advice on creating the content of your resume by liking and subscribing to our YouTube page. Now it's time to go out there and get that job.